Cyber insurance shouldn't be complicated. At Envision, we've reimagined the application process to make it simple, transparent, and intuitive. Welcome to our digital platform. Waving goodbye to the normal 50-page PDFs, we have a purely digital application form that adapts to your company profile and your answers. You are able to track your progress and navigate using the bar on the left, and you can leave and return to your application at any time, saving your progress as you go. Rarely in an organization will one person have all the answers, so you have the option to invite collaborators to help fill out sections relevant to them. At any point, simply click Invite Collaborators at the top and enter their name and email. You can add as many people as you need. Coming towards the end of the application, you're given the option to give us any extra information the questions have missed. If you have something that helps reflect your cybersecurity posture, you can let us know about it here. You're also given the option to upload any supporting documents or files you feel could help your application. You might have a great presentation that showcases your cybersecurity strengths, or maybe it's simply an organogram to help underwriters understand how the company is structured. Next, we come to the Trend Vision 1 data section. Here, you'll be asked to securely share your Invision Insights report, generated directly from your Vision 1 dashboard. This report is a one-off, high-level snapshot built exclusively for Invision. It takes only a few minutes, and it allows us to offer your organization the best insurance terms possible. It contains only summarized, high-level metrics, and importantly, it's a one-time request. There is no ongoing monitoring. Finally, you will be asked to agree to your application being sent to one of our partner brokers. The page will display the brokers currently available in your country. We have deliberately chosen to work with a small number of carefully selected brokers to ensure our customers receive the highest standards of service and expertise. If you have any questions, more information can be found on the broker pages on the Envision website, or please get in touch with us. And finally, you will need to digitally sign and submit your application. This gets sent directly to Envision and your nominated broker, who will be in touch shortly. You will also receive a PDF copy for your records. One of the great features of cyber insurance with Envision is the renewals process. Everyone dreads insurance renewal season. Completing the same long-winded forms again followed by another grilling from underwriters is never something to look forward to. With Envision, simply log back in, select your previous application, and hit Start Renewal. You'll be presented with a new but mostly pre-completed application. Simply make any amendments and updates from the previous year and then resubmit. It really is that easy. It's natural to feel a bit cautious about how much information you share with an insurer. But here's the thing. Our underwriters genuinely want to give you the best terms possible. They will actively look for anything they can find to help. The more information you provide, the easier it is for them to do that. Our underwriting team brings decades of real-world experience with networks, IT, and security engineering. That means we're realistic about what we see. We know perfection simply isn't possible because we've lived it ourselves. It's completely normal for an application to have weaker areas, and that's genuinely okay. Remember, you don't need to complete the application in one go. Your progress is saved, so you can leave the application and come back. You also don't need to fill it in order. You can jump forward to sections that you want to work on and go back to others later. Thinking about a new security product, service, or project? Whether it's a major new platform or something as simple as arranging an audit or pen test, we encourage you to reach out to us to discuss. In many cases, we can help you secure highly discounted products and special rates on a wide range of services. And it's as simple as dropping us an email. Thank you for watching.